In today's video, we'll try to learn how to create employees. For this creation, first of all we have to activate this payroll accounting features and then come here gateway of tally, then go with create. Then you can see payroll masters here. From here you have to select employee selection, then put the name. Name will be the employee name. I want to put KP Agarwal under will be the accounts, because I create accounts, so it will be the accounts. I create accounts and administration. I KP Agarwal from accounts, so I'll select accounts. Date of joining 1st April 2024. Define salary, I don't want this, so I'll make it no. General employee number, I want to put 001. Designation, I want to make it manager, so I'll select manager. Then the function is accounting. Then the location will be West Bengal, because we are working on West Bengal, so West Bengal. Then the gender, she is a female, so I'll select female. Date of birth 01/04/1987. I want to put blood group, I want just random selection, AB negative, and father's and mother's name is P Agarwal. Spouse name, that means the husband name, so I just put a random name C. Agarwal. Address will be West Bengal, or you can write the permanent address here. Otherwise just put the state name West Bengal here. You can put the phone number here. I just put a random number. Email ID, if you have email ID, put it here. Then provide bank details. If you made this yes, then you have to put the account number, IFSC codes and etc. I just put a random number for example, so I'll just write a random code. 45670. SBI 12345 let's just give this bank name. For this I create a bank name, not applicable will be here because I don't created a bank name, so just skip this. I want to put the branch is Howrah here. For banking transaction, if you have any transaction with that employee, you can put it here, otherwise just press enter for skip this. End of the list, and then you have to put these statutory details. I just made it regular tax design and I don't want to put any other details, so for this I just show it for example, so just I skip this by pressing enter. You have to put all the details here, so just press enter and accept this. If you press enter, then the employee creation will be completed. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.